gosh, this is so different. I've never seen anything like this before.
I love the shirts myself. I wanted one.
They're bold, they're raw, they're great.
Girls, kids, adults, everybody is paying attention to shirts.
Our product is unique because stained imaging is unique.
That's what I like about it. It stands out, it pops out.
That's awesome. I want one.
It is the best-selling t-shirt our school has ever had before and the most talked about.
Parents come up to us and say, where did you get that shirt? How did you meet this guy?
If your business has anything to do with t-shirts, a screen printer, embroiderer, specialty decorator, manufacturer or designer, you supply promotional apparel products, use licenses, or just have a specific niche market, now there's a revolutionary imaging method that allows you to create your very own dynamic substrates. Stain imaging, an eco-friendly, revolutionary imaging technique.
I really just wanted to get it because it stood out from all the rest of them. I never seen a t-shirt like it before. People I don't even really know come up to me and just say, hey, I like that shirt, and I think it's what the kids are like looking for. Girls will come up to me and say, oh, I like your shirt. And it's just a great conversation starter.
The great colors, great quality, excellent service.
Other t-shirts are just a one print or right in the middle. Gives you an all-over look.
I think it's fantastic. I think it's unique. I think it's different. I think it's creative.
I like the shirts because it's the design of all the kids. And it was great because they came in multiple sizes and regular t-shirts for boys and then the cap sleeves for the girls.
The kids loved it. They thought it was really original, which is awesome because you see a lot of this in stores. It's what's popular right now.
We wanted parents and other people to identify us as different because lots of schools have shirts, but we had a very unique shirt because he infused his design with what we do.
Bright colors, fun colors, hip styles.
It's very in style. I love that Stain Imaging, he will design it for me.
In promotional advertising, I'm looking for things that are unique and different to show my customers, and this is definitely that item.
Well, the thing I like about it is that each one's totally unique as far as sometimes it's grayer in some areas or darker in some areas.
We ran out way fast. They were just flying off the shelves. Everybody wanted one.
We chose Stain Imaging because all the colors are so vibrant, and I know they're eco-friendly. The shirts are comfortable, and they're every color you can think of. Every year we change our colors.
Styles are changing every year, and with Stain Imaging, it just allows us to, I believe, be ahead of our competition.
Right, if you have a mascot, he will bring the design into your mascot.
I love that it's unique. I love that it is going to be different every time that you see this. It's not going to be the same shirt on every item.
I was really impressed with the quality and the work and the way we could sell so many to raise funds for our elementary.
When I showed this to the kids at camp, they were all over it. They were, I want one, I want one. They were fighting over the shirt.
It's fun for the kids because they love to look at the shirts and the patterns and say, what is in there? It's like an I Spy thing where they try to figure out what is in there because there's just every little square inch of it has art on it, and it's just the kids just love that.
Creativity, honestly, to create and not be restricted to a center chest print. It allows us to do all over, to do unique placement on the product.
It makes it sell easy, it makes it sell fast.
There's texture, there's layering, there's all different sorts of applications that you just don't see on a standard industry shirt.
I love the fact that we could have a low minimum order or a large minimum order. We started low and ended up high.
It's something that, you know, people are going to wear to a party, they're going to wear to a sporting event, they're going to wear to a work event, and it's going to create discussion.
You see some in stores, the popular style, this is what everybody wants right now, but these ones are different, they're unique. You haven't seen anything like this before.
You can't find a shirt like this anywhere, you really can't, because I've never seen anything like it, and anyone that ever sees it has always said, where did you get that shirt? I've never seen anything like it.
I would say the thing about Stain Imaging is they really stand out from other printers. Printers and manufacturers of shirts are a dime a dozen. There's just no one out there that we found that does anything like this with their unique brand of styling.
I love it. I love how it pops at you, but yet is sort of raw.
Stain imaging process creates something that's unique, that's different, that stands out, that has a desirable effect.
Yeah, it's very different, as you can see. What we loved about it and the kids loved about it, we got to take some of the kids' designs and incorporate different parts from the camp. Just different things, all the elements of the camp that make it unique.
The wearability, the washability's all just been fantastic for us.
My prices are good and they sell fast and easy.
I would show this to my client when they come to me on a regular basis saying, what's different, what's new, what's something that we can, show me something wow, and this would be something that I would show them.
You know, they look like they're expensive, like they're going to be a lot more than your average camp t-shirt because they're so unique, but it's a great deal. We saved a lot of money in the process.
The reason why we went with stain imaging was everyone else does solid color shirts. We love that this was different and it set us apart from other places because it's just so much fun to see all the different colors and the patterns that set you apart from all of the other schools.
Look at these shirts. I mean, it's something that you can create and do stuff that's so unique and different every year.
You need to get a hold of these guys because they're really creative and they can do some awesome markups and virtuals for you for something that's really different.
It's not just your average screen print with the camp logo. It's on the front and the back. It's covering the whole shirt.
My customer wants a shirt that's unique, that's fashionable, that's not seen in every store and every street in Middle America. They want something that's unique and stands out.
The second I pulled the t-shirts out of the box, everybody was impressed. You know, kudos to me because everybody loved the t-shirt. It was so unique and also in style, what the kids wanted. The kids loved it.